Today we're installing the ZEROTH Industries Audi R8 coil pack conversion kit from eBay. As you see there, you've got the nicely designed coil pack holders, the mounting spacers, and the hardware you need. It's basically a one-stop shop. This is the coil pack conversion harness. All nicely made. That's box 1. Then you get box 2, which is all 6 Audi R8 coil packs. And you can get, again, good quality cheap stuff. And then they also do send you all the NGK box. This is my project at the moment. A lot of work left to do, but got the engine swap in and it's time to do other bits. So first of all, remove obviously the cover coil packs. The J pipe's obviously going to come off. I've got under the 8 mils where the blow off valve is. Then you're going to go inside and you're going to remove, which is a 12mm, the original rails that come in for the original coil packs. So skip to the bit where I get them. Now you can see all them bolts are being removed. Just take out that plate and take out the back plate as well. The 2 original plates are removed. You just left. And again we have the bolts, spacers and the rails, which also are going to go in the existing bolt holes for the existing coil pack holders. As you can see, you get one of these, one of the bolts that goes into the rails. You're going to come over here. You're going to underneath, bolt into that, and through there again, into the already threaded holes. Just do them all up hand tight first. Nip all of them bolts up, not over tightened, as the manufacturer said to me, you don't want to over tighten these bolts, they don't need to be massively tight. Obviously with these designs, it is designed for the other type of intake that goes down there. I will be putting something underneath the J pipe just to stop the coil pack shorting out on the J pipe itself. As the manufacturer states that it's not designed for this J pipe to be across here, it's designed for the other intake, but you can make it work like I have. So there's a bracket there that has a hole that holds the 2 pipes that go to the catch can. I've just had to cut that bracket down so that it's now not touching the coil pack. That also looks very close, but it's actually not on the coil pack. I will be putting some insulation on the bottom of that J pipe so it doesn't conduct the electricity from it. And then now you're just going to fit your coil pack harness. Then you connect all the plugs, run it along, connect it into the connector, and obviously don't forget you've got to earth it out as well in the same spot on the back of the intake where the other earth goes. That's how to install it on an RB25 deck, R33. Thank you for watching.